1. There's a planet made of diamonds. Astronomers discovered a planet called 55 Cancri E, which is twice the size of Earth and made mostly of carbon, likely crystallized into diamond due to extreme pressure. 2. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This happens at a specific pressure called the triple point, where the three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas coexist. 3. You're made of stardust. The carbon, oxygen, and other elements in your body were formed in stars billions of years ago. You are literally made from the remnants of exploded stars. 4. Bananas are slightly radioactive. Bananas contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. But don't worry, you'd have to eat 10 million bananas at once to get radiation poisoning. 5. There's a huge water cloud in space. Scientists found an enormous reservoir of water vapor surrounding a distant quasar, 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. 6. Your bones are as strong as steel. Ounce for ounce, human bones are stronger than steel. A cubic inch of bone can bear a load of 19,000 pounds, 8,600 kilograms. That's about the weight of 5 pickup trucks. 7. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. 8. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a Venusian day is longer than its year. 9. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Known as the Mpemba effect, hot water can freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions, though scientists are still debating why. 10. There's a giant invisible force holding the universe together. Scientists believe in dark matter, an invisible substance making up about 85% of the universe's mass. But we can't see or directly detect it. Which fact blew your mind the most? Subscribe now for interesting videos. Thanks.